Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Creating eye-catching YouTube thumbnails is easier than you think, and you don't need to spend a dime. Step 1. Start by heading to canva.com and signing up for a free account. You'll want to use your email or connect your Google account, which makes the process super quick. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard where all your designs live. Step 2. Search for the YouTube thumbnail template by typing it into the search bar. Canva has pre-sized templates specifically made for YouTube at 1280 by 720 pixels, so you don't have to worry about getting the dimensions wrong. Click on any thumbnail template that catches your eye and you're ready to start customizing. Step 3. Add your main image or upload a photo from your computer. You can drag and drop images directly onto the canvas, resize them to fit your design, and position them exactly where you want. Make sure your image is high quality and relevant to your video content. Step 4. Add bold text that summarizes your video in just a few words. Keep it short and punchy because people scroll fast. Use contrasting colors so the text pops against your background, and pick a font that's easy to read even when the thumbnail is tiny. Step 5. Incorporate shapes, arrows, or emojis to draw attention to the most important elements. Add a bright background color or layer multiple images to create depth. Download your finished thumbnail as a PNG file and upload it to your YouTube video. Your thumbnail is now ready to grab clicks and boost your views.